Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be replacing the stock incandescent turn signal bulbs on this 2015 Forester with our Diode Dynamics LED replacements. Installation could not be easier and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. To get started replacing our passenger side turn signal, we're going to remove the factory 7443 turn signal bulb. Now, it's pretty easy to access. The only thing you might do is pull this flat back to get a little bit better view. So you'll simply reach in, turn the bulb counterclockwise, and remove it from the socket. Then plug in your Diode Dynamics LED replacement. Now, before you reinsert it in the housing, it's a good idea to go ahead and test it to make sure that it's hooked up properly. If it's not, you can simply pull the bulb out, rotate the connection 180 degrees, and plug it back in. Then reinsert the bulb back into the housing. And rotate it clockwise to secure it. Now we'll head to the driver's side and repeat the same steps to finalize our installation. Now, one of the main questions you might have when installing LED turn signal bulbs is, do I need resistors? And in most cases, we recommend our resistor kit to prevent hyperblinking. That kit is available through the link below, but if you're not sure how to install it, don't worry, there's an installation video for that too, which is also available in the description. With this particular model, depending on your year, you can actually upgrade to an LED flasher instead of using a resistor kit. And if you want, you could actually look into our Smart Tap module, which not only prevents hyperblinking, but offers a ton of unique features. Now, with your LED turn signal bulbs installed, you'll not only be far more visible to other drivers on the road, but you'll have a clean, modern look thanks to the increased output and instant on-off effect of the LEDs. For more information on our LED turn signal bulbs, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.